Hey guys, I'm Rich. Welcome to Rich with Cars. On this week, I'm going to show you guys a little bit around the Festivals of Speed in Orlando, Florida. It's a sort of high-end, exotic luxury car show. Guys, let's strap in and take a look. So we got an Ineos Grenadier right here, which is super cool. First time I get to see it in the metal, and yeah, it definitely looks like something that's off-roading. You get to see some, get to see the wheels. Brand new car company actually, and they're making waves in the automotive industry. Let's take a look at the interior. So you get to see the door cards, nothing too complicated, quite straightforward. And this is a really cool thing. It's got more of an industrial design on the interior. So you got an infotainment screen, but then you have, you know, all these physical knobs, which is super cool. You get to see a bit of the BMW influence with the gear lever. And also it seems like it uses probably some of the components from iDrive as well. So seeing the ceiling of the Grenadier, you get to see more of the industrial look here. That's super cool. And then the sunroof is actually quite unconventional, where you get to see it's sort of it's just a tilt function and it's manually adjusted as opposed to automatic. So really nice interior, at least for those that actually prefer that sort of industrial look.
Take them out completely, or you can take them up.
But nevertheless, it's a really nicely built machine based on what I see at first sight. Let's take a look at the rear. Same thing with the door cards, and you got a bench style rear seating area. You got some climate vents here in the rear, but nevertheless, I mean, very nice. For those that would be interested in a Land Rover or even like a Bronco, this definitely fits the bill. And I love the spare tire there in the rear as well. Pretty large bed in the rear as well. It actually has the B58 BMW engine, so we have an inline 6 with a turbo. And you guys get to see over here, powered by BMW. So a lot of the components inside the Grenadier is basically comes from BMW, but at the end of the day, nothing wrong with that. And I mean, the B58 is a solid engine, the SUV. So it's got a resemblance to, let's say, like a G-Wagon or even like a Land Rover Defender as well. Very boxy type of design. And you get to see also the interior over here as well. I'm actually quite glad to see this in the metal. Let's take a look at it from the front. A few details here. And you get to see the Ineos logo here on the hood. Really, really nice. So that's the Ineos Grenadier. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick clip of the 2024 Festivals of Speed at the Waldorf Astoria in Orlando. I'm glad that I got to see the Ineos Grenadier in person. I've been hearing and reading a lot about it, and I hope I gave you guys a good insight of how that car looks on the outside and on the inside as well, and gave you guys also a brief look of all the cars that showed up at the Festivals of Speed. As always, guys, big thanks to all the likes, all the views, all the shares, everything. Make sure to stay tuned for more content, and make sure to comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks, guys. Take care.